Millions of Bangladeshi English learners are stuck. Local IELTS courses give zero speaking feedback, the skill that determines 25% of the band. Global apps ignore Bangla speakers entirely. Private tutors cost 8,000 to 24,000 taka a month out of reach for the most, and no platform adapts to your personal level or weak point. Articulate AI fixes all of this. A complete spoken English ecosystem placement to fluency all in Bangla at 200 to 500 taka a month. That is 95% cheaper than a private tutor with Azure powered phoneme level pronunciation feedback no human can match. Personal AI guidance, gamified learning, international standard IELTS exam, everything in one platform.
AI infrastructure's costs penis per call. Scaling is near zero marginal cost. Premium SaaS plus institutional licensing, and we are the only platform combining Bangla phoneme AI with IELTS conversation simulation. The numbers speak. Private tutor 8 to 24,000 taka for subjective feedback. Articulate AI 200 to 500 taka for superior AI powered phoneme level scoring. Learners save up to 2,82,000 taka per year. Every module feeds into the others. Your weak words from an exam surface in your flashcards, which shape your next lesson. It's not a feature list, it's a system. 5 pipelines, 1 feedback loop. Every interaction makes the next one smarter, all cached for instant loading even on slow internet.
Learner's journey starts by giving placement test, testing the primary fluency in English. As I have already taken the test, I will just show it. My placement level is A2 and I can take A2 level chapters from the beginning by default, and my A1 level lessons are by default unlocked. Each lesson in the chapter are distributed in 4 parts: vocabulary, flashcards, word test and sentence test. First we can learn the words really with their meaning and pronunciation, and then we can test our memory through flashcards. In the word test part, we can test our pronunciation by phoneme level breakdown. We are using Azure Pronunciation API in this process with AI feedback. As you can see, I have reached 92% of fluency with proper phoneme breakdown and some feedback on how to improve more. In the sentence test, we can do the same thing as word but on our sentences to see how much we can communicate. Each chapter has a open conversation test.
Hello. It's great to see you today. Can you tell me about your typical morning routine? That sounds like a nice way to rest. What do you usually do after you wake up?
As you can see, I have got band level of 5.5 in speaking, which simulates real-life IELTS exam. In vocabulary, I can see and review the words I have learned, and I can also practice them in the flashcard section. I can also track my position in the leaderboard, and this application provides a competitive environment with gamified setup to motivate a learner.
Now let's talk about exam system, something that makes Articulate truly unique. We have 5 types of exams: a progress exam that's personalized to your weak words, an IELTS mock test for test preparation, lesson and chapter exams if you want to focus on a specific content you have studied, and a practice mode just to keep your streak going. You can also check your past exam results from here. Let me show you a demonstration. It might take a few seconds to generate the question. Each exam has 2 question types, listening and speaking. In listening, the AI reads a word or phrase aloud. You can only play it 3 times and then you type what you hear.
The. Such a beautiful day.
In speaking, a word or phrase appears on your screen. You hold the mic, read it aloud, and release. You. The rest of the exam works the same way, alternating between listening and speaking. On submitted, the AI evaluates your pronunciation accuracy and listening comprehension in seconds. You get a score, XP rewards added to your profile, and per question AI feedback, including your accuracy score on every speaking answer. That's the full exam system.